Make a great choice today with the 2023 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, starter type, motor generator, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come see the car for yourself.